a new morning on Wednesday.
In the afternoon.
Yeah, okay, it's 12. It's 8 minutes past 12.
Nilikuwa nangojea.
Tunajuanga most of the time ninaanzanga vlog asubuhi. So good afternoon. Today tulikuwa tunataka kupeleka Maya swimming, her first swimming. Now that ile ya birthday ime backfire. We do not know what is happening.
Zote zimekuwa ziki backfire za Maya.
Yes, the weather today, yesterday iliamua kunyesha mvua. So today tukaamua like otherwise. Another thing where Mama is tired. Mama is tired, so we are going to look for a crib. Baby crib ya Maya. We lazima sasa atoke kwa bedi yetu. Aende alale peke yake. We want to sleep train her. Mambo? Anauza kitanda ya mtoto? Ni sawa. Habari? Natafuta baby coat. Baby coat? Mko nayo? Ni sawa. Na kutengenezesha na range from how much? Like the normal one. 12,000? Yes. Ni sawa. Na ita take how long kutengeneza?
Kimoja.
Sawa. So the thing yenye iko nimeambiwa it's hard kupata kitanda yenye already imetengenezwa.
Acha tuone.
New made bed yenye iko ni second hand but mimi nimepiga.
Kuna kuanga place ya kunini?
Wako ama walihamanga?
Sijui kuna watu. Nao. Waenda uchati. Uko ndani huko.
Mimi niwaipigana na kunguni so
nani ajeko atajipigana na kunguni?
Maya usiriot. Talk. Sikai. Habari? Mko na kitanda ya mtoto baby coat?
Enda pale. Hapo ilikuwa. Opposite. Taona vitu zimepakwa rangi colors.
Hapo tumekuwa hapo. Let me cross the road and then I tell you a story kadogo. You know, people are not used to other people vlogging. So like says you know simu hivi when I'm vlogging. Wewe na sweat. Hakuna anatuambia place tumetoka huko juu. It's the only place tunaweza bed. But uzunguke tu tuone. So nilikuwa naambia venye it's so hard ku vlog. Juwato na kuangalia so naenda kani nimeweka hivi chini but bear with me, we are still looking for the baby coat. Kuna hopes tumepata kitanda moja but lazima tuende tuiangalie. Niko kindo nisije nikaibiwa simu. Yes, so.
Ni church.
Ni kanisa unawezeka hapo. So, hiyo kitanda iko but haiko. Unaona nilitengeneza ni mpya but nilitengenezwa kitambo.
Anakumbe ameniambia in case tukaweza kitaka. Ataigura kabisa.
Na ipigia rangi tena.
I don't know.
So mimi nimekuwa njaa, I'm hungry, so we are going to our friend's place. Baby coat update. So it's 2:57 and we are tired. So we are still looking. Tumekuja hadi bypass, tuko bypass sasa. Ndio sasa tunarudi nyumbani and I can see my husband anarudi. Na sioni hopes. So we will just go home. Hi. We are back home. Mama was a bit disappointed atakupata kitanda leo lakini we've even had a better deal. My husband know a person mwenye alitutengenezea the bed that we are using now. So huyo mama amesema atatutengenezea at 7,000 na kama haina zile drawers za pale chini atatutengenezea na 5,500. So custom made, and at least itakuwa na color ninataka, hatutakuwa tumezozana. And my hope ni ati itakuwa hii nini sasa, itakuwa of a good quality, better quality, not even good, a better quality. Na at least sasa Maya aanze kujua kulala peke yake. So now tumerudi nyumbani. I need to cook for my people. At least Maya amekula food yake. It's now me and daddy. Tunapika githeri. Know that yesterday sikuipika. We were to cook yesterday, but yesterday I was overwhelmed. Yesterday so much went on. So, and I love my hair. I chose a very nice color for my hair. Look at the edges, man. Look at that hair. Sasa sikuonyesha outfit of the day. So, nilikuwa nimevaa that very flowery top and a skinny jeans. So that's kind of my vibe. Nikivaa something yenye ni loose juu, navaa something ambayo ni skinny chini. When I wear like a baggy trouser, I wear something that is inanishika juu. Now I want to show you how I store my vegetables. That's how I store carrots. That's how I store dania. Nyanya huwa sizifungi. That's hoho, and that's gojet or zucchini. Is it zucchini to some country? This one. Yeah, so that's how I store my foods. That's what I have. I love vlogging these days. I feel good. Mwendo analalishwa. So sitaki kumpigia kelele kwa sababu akinisikia anaanza kuamka. We have maize and beans already zimedho and ready to cook. Tulitoa asubuhi. Ready to cook. Hi. So I know that I have ended this vlog so many times, but I have an update about the sleep training. So say it's 8:20 and Maya is asleep together with the dad. So the thing is, yesterday I started like sleep training her so that she'd be sleeping from 7:30. Yeah. So yesterday Ali delay to like akastall akalala around 8, but leo nime make sure by 7 she's already fed, ni msafi, amechange nguo, everything was done for the day. And then when 7:30 ilikuwa inafika, like nilikuwa na tu hivi and then na masikio, and I was like, yeah, this thing kinda it's gonna work, but I know this will work vizuri akiwa na kitanda yake. Yeah, so I'm hoping atalala vizuri, hata kama atalala hadi 10 and then amke kunyonya. I think I'll be happy because hajalala poa mchana. I'm hoping that Maya ataanza kupata enough sleep, macho zake zachange kukaa sleepy all the time because she's always like so sleepy all the time. Alale anashiba usingizi. That's the update. Na sasa ninataka kushuka hii nywele because it served the purpose for the day. I was so beautiful. Ililala vizuri, haikuwa na madaha, and sasa inarudi to the default setting controls until next week. So next week tunaenda Hosi adiwomiwe, and I need to go and see the gyna because I don't know, there are some things happening, and I think I will talk about this nikienda kwa gyna and then I know what the problem is. Yeah, gyna visit. Haya, sawa. So wacheni mimi nitengeneze nywele, alafu I don't know what to do with this time. You know mama, I know you feel me, you know, I know you feel me. Wakati mtoto ako up, you have so many things in your head, but the moment they sleep you're like, what am I supposed to do? What is on my to-do list? Like, what is happening. Yeah, so that's me now. But one thing I'm happy, I've edited that vlog. Good morning. Maya is asleep, and some few seconds before I went to sleep, I was down here. Whew. What a night. So we will be able to collect the bed tomorrow. Yeah, so of that I am happy. Another update is that yes, Maya did go to sleep at 7, but at 10 she woke up, and she stayed up for 30 minutes, went back to sleep. She woke up again at 12, stayed for like an hour, and then woke up at 4. And at 4, that's when the struggle began, because she stayed for like 1.5 hours. But I could see the sleep in her eyes, but she's not able to fall back to sleep. So that's one of the things that I have observed. And another thing is that she's now asleep. It's 9. She's asleep because this routine demands that I stick to the specific times: eating time, feeding time, and sleep time, so that she can cope up with the pattern. So now she's asleep, and mama wangu wa kufua nguo, I don't like calling her Mama Fua, her name is Mama Kevin. She's around, and where the balcony is adjacent to the bedroom, and that's where Maya is. So I have requested her to use a pipe to fetch water and not to make so much noise, because Maya did not fall asleep too long ago. So I just want her to enjoy the nap before she wakes up. Yeah, so I'm hoping that this will go on well. At least I can see some improvement. Yeah, so let's see how today will go. Oh my god, I just want Maya to enjoy sleep, to enjoy naps, not to be ever sleepy. She always have sleepy eyes every time. Whenever I post photos or whenever we take pictures, Maya is always like having those sleepy eyes with eye bags, you know. Now I'm gonna take breakfast, and if you've never taken githeri with hot tea, cold githeri with hot tea, especially hot turungi black tea, you're missing out. That's my breakfast for the morning. Yeah, because I loved how it came out yesterday. I'm enjoying cooking these days. So I don't know, this is gonna be also a long vlog. Until next time, bye.